Hey everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today I'll show you how to activate the E-Prescribe feature. Medical professionals can write prescriptions for medication and send to a local pharmacy for customers to pick up. This feature is available for medical businesses based in the United States. Let me show you how it works. We'll start by navigating to Settings, then select E-Prescribe. This is one of the premium features in Vagaro. The account owner will need to initiate activation, and a licensed doctor will need to complete the initial onboarding. Pricing for E-Prescribe varies by the number and types of providers added. Each doctor will add $40 to your monthly subscription, and each medical assistant will add $5 per month. We'll discuss these roles in more detail later. We'll select Get Started. To complete the activation process, you will need a National Provider Identifier or NPI number, a state medical license, a personal ID such as a driver's license or passport, and optionally, a Drug Enforcement Administration or DEA number if you plan to prescribe controlled substances. We'll select Begin Setup. Then Vagaro will ask if we have a ScriptSure account. If we select Yes, we will need to contact ScriptSure support directly to set up and link our account with Vagaro. If we have not previously used ScriptSure, we will select whether or not we have an NPI number. If the account owner does not, we can invite a different employee who does have one to activate the feature. The selected employee will receive a message via email, text, and push notification. They will be authorized to walk through the full setup. We'll go back and select that we have an NPI number. Once we select Next, a new tab will open in our browser to register with ScriptSure. First, we'll enter our NPI number. Our phone number and zip code will auto-populate from our business account. We'll review and agree to the terms of use, then select Next. On the next screen, we'll verify our name and contact information. Afterward, we'll enter our state medical license number as well as our DEA number if applicable. On the next screen, we'll verify our account details, address, and phone and fax number. Finally, we'll review and agree to all terms and conditions. Once we've registered with ScriptSure, we will need to securely verify our identity through ID.me. If we have an account already, we can sign in and verify through a 6-digit authentication code. If we do not have an ID.me account, we can create one, and then we'll proceed through a guided process that will allow us to set up a 2-factor authentication method, upload a photo ID, verify our personal and contact information, then validate and link our NPI number with ScriptSure. Once the ID.me verification is complete, we will return to our Vagaro account and will be able to invite other employees to onboard to E-Prescribe. There are 2 types of providers, doctors and medical assistants. Doctors will need to provide an NPI number, register with ScriptSure, and verify their identity through ID.me. Medical assistants only need to register with ScriptSure and do not need an NPI number. Doctors will be able to prescribe medication and send to pharmacies for customer pickup. Medical assistants will be able to prepare prescriptions, but will need to send to a doctor for approval. Once activation of E-Prescribe is complete, an embedded portal into the ScriptSure software will be available. We can manage practitioners, view messages, and reports generated through our ScriptSure account. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.